my dear friends, today we are going to make easy kabsa. For that I have taken a 1 kg beef. Cook it using 2 teaspoon garam masala, 2 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Cook them for 4 whistles. After cooking, transfer the cooked meat to a large vessel. Keep the stock in the pressure cooker itself. To that, add 7 glasses of hot water. Add some whole garam masala. Add a whole dry lemon and 2 dry lemon cut into pieces. Add a teaspoon of salt. Add a tablespoon of tomato garlic sauce. Add 1 kg of soaked basmati rice. I have soaked it for 30 minutes. Beef stock substitutes usage of ghee or oil while cooking the rice. Mix them well. Add 10 green chilli cut into slits and 4 whole green chillies. Cover the pressure cooker and cook until a whistle. Pour some coconut oil in between the beef and saute a large onion and a large piece ginger. Mix the sauteed onion and the ginger with the beef. Our rice is perfectly cooked. Transfer it onto the beef. Level it and cover with a lid. Let it steam for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mix the beef with the rice. Our beef kabsa is ready. Hope you all enjoyed. If so, please don't forget to share, subscribe and like.